Smart car. Didn't stop. Didn't look. Rolled on through.
That's a weird little spot there.
Wow. Wow. All right. Wow. Oh, you needed to get in the turn lane, of course. Looked like you want to change lanes. Are you waiting for the intersection? Yep. You waited for the intersection to change lanes.
That's Incredible has had a pretty long-lasting
Oh,
impact on pop culture.
Oh, he went to change
relevance.
in the middle.
When it was on the air, it first started back in 1980. Time magazine.
Hello?
What are you doing, dude? You don't know how the world works, do you?
You put this up.
Well, do you have a turn signal? You should try using one. And you're turning right in the first place. You didn't even need to merge. Oh, for the love of God. Oh, right in the intersection. Perfect place to change lanes. Why do you wait till that second to do it? Let's count all the ways this is a bad plan. Oncoming traffic, pedestrian, tip top. Well done.
The whole
Wow.
thing, right? We could all
Really?
do that together. Yeah. So
You know what
John mentioned
signals
this
are
camera
for?
thing, and
Murder
actually,
case. The state had already
There's
seen
a lane.
their top suspect, Marjorie Thompson.
There's a lane.
If Roger was released as well,
Stop.
they'd be 0 for 2 for conviction. And even if Roger proved Marjorie had killed Elizabeth,
God
he
damn.
couldn't be charged again due to double jeopardy laws.
Keep moving.
Plus, Santos is one of the few Roger's favor on court, as cases like this were expensive.
This is the best song ever made in the world. Other songs
Whoa.
are good, even some are really good, but they are not the best songs
Man.
ever made in the world. It has a lot of
So they understand. You decided with no one behind me, the best time to come out was in front of me. Whoa! Wow! Holy crap. That's not how that works. Whoa! What happened there?
That's a G5, clean and white, 250 gigabyte, giga RAM, killer man, 20-inch screen. Wanna burn a disc? How about a DVD? Wirelessly.
Paid off that time. Yep. You ran the living hell out of that.
Wow.
Not even a little bit. What I hit? Right in the intersection. Oh, what was that? You were what we call the go straight lane.
the best cameo was Data. Sure. And John is going to say that his best character is Bruce Maddox. That's right. Right. I'm flipping a coin. John, it's your turn to pick.
Okay, it says no turn on the arrow.
Tails.
It says no turn right there.
It is. George, you move first.
Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Very exciting. Very exciting for you. Changing the 4 or 5 lanes at once. I'm coming back. First day driving.
You see
What was that?